I was gonna grill this steak out on the grill, so, but I'm gonna put it in here. I've got it seasoned up, and I'm gonna put it on between medium rare and medium done. But I just got this. I put salt on it, and then adobe seasoning, and it smells good. So I am going to have this for my brunch, because it's after 12 now. So I'm gonna fix me a salad right before I get this done, and then I'm gonna pig out. So I'll bring you back when I get it done. Alright, it's cooking pretty good here. I'm gonna turn it over. That little brown right there. Alright, I've got some potatoes on. I'm going to make mashed potatoes too. I'm going to have some potatoes and steak and a salad. I'll bring you back when I get it done. Alright, I'm going to mash my potatoes now. Let me get my pepper. There's pepper. And my salt. So, like steak's cooking over here, it won't be long before it gets done. I put some butter in here. Okay. I'm going to add some milk. Pepper. I'll have enough for 2 meals when I get this done. And some salt. I think I've got too much milk, but that's right. I'm gonna have soup, I guess. I only cooked with 2 potatoes. I usually got my grandson, but he's not here right now. He comes and stays with me sometimes. Okay. I believe that's got it. They mistake cooking. It's about done. Put a little more salt and pepper in there. And a little more salt. That turned out good. Oh, this has got dressing in it, but I got me some blue cheese dressing. I'm gonna fix my let's see. Salad here. I'm cutting up one slice of tomatoes and then put it in there. And I'll save this tomato. And my steak's about done. And I'm going to pour some, I've got some blue cheese dressing I'm going to put on my salad. I've got my steak done. Well, I meant to get a spoon. Now I have enough potatoes for another meal. So this is going to be my supper tonight. I got my steak, my mashed potatoes, and my salad. If y'all can see that. That's going to be a wonderful supper. See if I can get this cut up now. I won't eat all of this. Alright. So there's my supper for tonight. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much, and have a blessed week.